puzzle. When can we ignore brackets? Well, pause and have a go in your own time if you like. We can ignore brackets there. Reason being, all we're doing is adding. That's it. Nothing else is happening. So it's just 5 plus x plus 2. Doesn't matter what order you're doing. Can we ignore brackets here? We can't because there's a minus actually on the brackets. We have to make sure we take every single thing away. 5 minus x minus 2. You see it affected what was inside. Can we ignore the brackets here? We cannot ignore the brackets because that would be 5 times x. Because 5 is multiplying everything inside, so it changes the x and the 2. Can we ignore the brackets here? Well, it's basically just the same because there's an imaginary times in there. Can we ignore the brackets here? Definitely not, because we need to make sure that the x and the 2 end up on the bottom. Can we ignore the brackets here? No, we can't. We have to make sure that we specifically write that as x plus 2, x plus 2. Depends on exactly what I mean by ignore, but there was a quick discussion. One last thought, so this is an extra challenge I'm tagging on the end. What if you had 5 times x times 2? Can we ignore the brackets in this case? Answer, we can, because it's just a bunch of things times together and it doesn't matter what order you do it in. So I would say the theme is you can ignore brackets if all the signs are the same. No, except you see, even that's not true. This is the trouble, you see. Brackets are really awkward. We can ignore if it's just timeses and if it's just pluses. There you go. How's that? Otherwise, take care and make sure you listen to the brackets and do the right thing.